Hey guys, it is currently Saturday the 11th at 9:52 p.m. I'm here at Ryan's. We were literally just, doing some stickers, getting some new designs up. And Daniel called and what was it? His axles popped out of the diff. So we're going to go rescue him. And I thought, may as well vlog it. So I just got the location then. We're about to head off and go save his ass. That's what he gets for owning 2 Sylvias. He only needs 1. I also just realized I literally just ordered food from Menu Log as well. Oh, fuck. So that means that my food is going to arrive here while we're not here, and it's just going to sit outside and get cold. Like, come on, man. I just want my grill. Okay. Fuck you, Daniel. But hey, we owe you one because you brought us the G-Club.
Yeah.
So, what exactly happened again?
I was literally just driving normal, yeah? And then I hear this massive clunk. I was like, what the fuck was that? And I thought my gearbox blew because it sounded like it was coming from the driveline somewhere, not the engine.
Yeah.
And then I pull over and I'm like, what the fuck? I can't see anything, like at all, like nothing's stuck, no oil leaking anywhere. I go to the back, look at the diff, I'm like, my fucking CV is just chilling there, smacking around everywhere. There's like grease everywhere.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're about to leave, so we'll see you soon.
Sounds good. I guess the CV has time to cool down. And exhaust and everything, so it'll be good to touch.
Yeah, easy. Oh no, we do have jack stands. It's all good. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
We'll be there soon.
See you soon. No worries, bye.
Bye. Alright, so we've now loaded the lib up with all the tools. You'll hear it rattling around. We're about to go get Daniel now and assess the damage. So I've even brought my ring light as well, so that hopefully you guys can see. So we'll see you soon.
Oh, you got the camera going?
I can't even see her.
So yeah, this is my S15. It's a piece of shit.
Well, here we are. Got my fucking grill, so that's all I care about.
Jack is so slow. Off the side of the camera. What do you reckon, mate?
See, be like him. Go on the other fucking lane instead of staying close to us. Fucking yummy. Mmm.
Honestly, don't know how we're gonna get it back.
Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the axle is disconnected. So we're gonna take off the hangers and try and get the exhaust down so that we have more room to play with.
That sounds weird.
Yes, that is a shit spot. That is a real shit spot. Why couldn't it be the driver's side, you fucking dickhead?
It should have come back this way. It should be facing down this way instead of that way. It's flicked up and over. It's fucked.
Yeah, we might be here for like an hour or so. That's fine. Hey,
Hey, shit.
there's a bush there.
Look.
How close are you, Daniel?
Too close. Just need to get it to slide in.
A couple mil.
No, it's just on an angle, bro. I don't know how to get this fucking thing right. Oh my god.
How's your grilled experience, mate?
Mate. No words.
Shows up his chicken. Damn. See that shit? That quality. Oh, fuck. I don't think your CV is meant to look like that, man.
No, I don't think so.
How are we gonna get it home?
It'll work. Watch.
Trust the process. Fucking here we go. Okay, so we've taken off that little, I don't know what you call it, the CV joiner thing, that thing that I showed before. We took that off, and because it's an open diff, we can't actually drive the car. It won't even move under its own power. So if it was welded, we'd be able to make it home, but we can't. So we're just waiting for a couple of the boys. They're gonna bring some tools and some bolts and shit. So hopefully we can get out of here, because it's getting cold. It's getting boring. And also my Illumos, they keep wigging out when I leave them on for too long. No good. Also, one of the best songs ever. Please don't copyright me. Where's the exhauster? Do you still need me to?
Yeah, so if you pull... Unless you want a hammer, and I can pull it down for you.
I'll hold it down.
Alright. There's no space.
Fuck it up.
Why don't we go in? It honestly should just fucking slot in, right? Why is it doing that? It's slipped out of the whole fucking thing. Somehow. Nah. I don't think Ethan can do it either.
He might know a trick.
You reckon?
He does this type of shit every day, man.
See? What's he do?
He's a diesel mechanic.
You see what I'm trying to do?
Yeah. Maybe it only goes in one way. Have you tried rotating and trying other things? Alright, well, we tried. And we're just waiting for the boys. Because, yeah, this is pretty tough.
Many unbearable hours later.
Help has finally arrived.
Hey
Come
mate,
on,
license
boys.
and resuscitation, please.
Oh, fuck.
Like,
Mate? Well,
apparently it's meant to be perfect and it should just be slided. Yo, you know the diff, how there's a shaft?
hold on, check.
I was driving back from Baden Gun Park, so I'm really like putting it in the range. But the shaft is not unbolted and stuff. the head noise.
It's just
Kangaroo.
yeah. Daniel marks his territory. So if you ever see these handprints, you know we were here.
Boo's fluffy.
Guys, so we've opted to take the wheel off, and we're gonna take the hub off,
handbrake off, get the hub off.
and then we'll attach the
Do you have
drive
any
shafts into one piece, and then we'll try and install it all together as one. Hopefully, that should be able to get us home.
There's already two in the front.
So yes, I have no idea if any of that made sense, but it's all we got. Otherwise, we're gonna have to organize a tow, but I don't know who else can fucking tow, like at this time. This is, yeah. We out here. Hey Daniel, show us how big the brakes are.
He's got 'em.
Are you serious? That's seriously how big the brakes are for this thing. The fuck? Ridiculous. I'm haunted, bro. Whatever that is.
Scared when you try to take it off now because there's nothing holding it.
Yeah.
You reckon it might slide off the jack? Let me get this.
You hold it from behind, Daniel.
Upwards.
Is there anybody in here?
I'd offer one of my CVs because I have it. No, they say. Well, they say eggs don't bounce and menstrual cycles don't have wheels.
This is why we need a pry bar. Don't use a screwdriver. Alright guys, it is now 1:10 in the morning. Oh shit, I just accidentally hung up on Lee. Sorry Lee. It is now 10 there. It is now 1:10 in the morning. We couldn't get it working, so we're literally waiting for a tow truck. It is now 1:10 in the morning. It is
down, bro.
It is now 1:10 in the morning. We couldn't get it done, so now we're just waiting for a tow.
7 p.m.
So I'm zip tied. Daniel's front bar on my car. Zip ties, and one of them is literally just a cable, like for my phone charger. I hope this will stay.